Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mathematics class for Standard 5th. Chapter 7, Can You See the Patterns? Part 2. Students, what you're going to learn from this video? From this video, students, you're going to learn some more patterns which we have to study, and without doing more calculations, without any calculation in fact, we can solve the whole pattern. So let us see, these are the hexagons. Students, if you are going to see the pattern over here, this is 7 multiplied by 10. So whatever the numbers are there in the circles, we multiply them, and between two circles, whatever the box is there, we write the answer of that two numbers which we had multiplied. For example, 7 multiplied by 10 will give you 70, and this answer is written here. Now look at this one. 10 multiplied by 2 and answer is 20. So between the 10 and 20 number, you have one box and we write 20 here. Then we have 2 multiplied by 13. The answer will be written in the central box, that is 26. Then 13 multiplied by 5 will be written. The product will be written in the central box, that is 65. 5 multiplied by 14 and the answer is written in the central box, that is 70. 14 multiplied by 7 will give the answer 98, which is written here in the central yellow box, that is 98. Now students, like this you have one more hexagon. Students, so this hexagon is homework, right? I had actually given this as a homework, but here I am going to explain it to you once again. Students, you can see here 11 and 9 is there. We can multiply the numbers given in the circle and we write the answer in the central box. So answer 99 is written here. Here are some of the solutions shown to you, students. Right, now we have 11 multiplied by 6, it will give you 66. We write the answer here. Now this is 6 multiplied by 17 and the answer is 102, which is written in the central box. Now the next is 17 multiplied by 7 is 119. That will be written here in the central yellow box. And 7, we don't know what we have to, we don't have any number here. So what we will do? See, 9 multiplied by what will give you 108? You can divide 108 by 9 and the answer will be 12. So 9 multiplied by 12 will give you 108, students. Now we got number 12 here. So 12 multiplied by 7 will give you the answer 84, which will be written in the central orange box. So this is how, students, you are going to solve it. See, here no steps are required. Simply you have to write the answers in the hexagons. Okay, students. Now the next one is again one hexagon. You can see here, students, one more hexagon is there which is actually following the similar pattern. That is the central numbers. The numbers which are there in the circles are multiplied, and the number of that multiplication, that is the product of that multiplication, is written in the central box. Now students, the new thing is here where the numbers 24 is written in a star, 19 in a pentagon and 37 in a rhombus, kind of a square. It's a square, okay? Now it is equal to, see, 37, 24 and 19. Students, what change you can see here? The change is this, that 37 which was written last while addition, see, 24 is in the first position, 19 is in the second position and 37 is in third position. They have changed the position, not the numbers. 37 became first, 24 became second and 19 became third. So if you are going to change the order, means their positions but not the numbers, then their addition or their sum remains the same. So when you just change their positions, then also the total remains the same. See, students, 215 is here and 215 is here. From first it went to the second position, from second position 120 went to the third position, and 600 which was last became first. Student, this is an empty box is given in your, this is kind of a explanation given, and the empty boxes are actually here. Students, you can see, you're going to fill it with whatever numbers are missing here. You can see here the equality sign is there. So you may write 34 which is in the first position, you may change the position, you may write it in second position, or you may write in third position, no matter. And the number which is 20 on the last position, you give it into the second position. Students, like this you can change the order. See, here also order has been changed, no problem. Students, like this you have this page, all the sums where they are actually only changing the position but their total remains the same. Not only for addition, students, but also for multiplications. See here, when 48 is multiplied by 13, see the rough calculation here, we get the answer 624. Now change the order. Instead of multiplying 48 with 13, you multiply 13 with 48. So when 13 is multiplied by 48, your answer is again 64. Students, see, even if you change the order in multiplication, the answer does not changes. It remains the same. So changing the order does not change the sum of the numbers and the product of the numbers. Okay, student, keep this in mind. Now students, we begin with a new topic, that is we have to just study the pattern and we have to write the numbers. Now the first pattern is actually, see, you can see here all 12 are there. You can see all these shapes are having the 12 number in it. So whatever numbers are empty or whatever the shapes are empty, you are going to fill it with the number. What number will come here? Correct. All three shapes are looking alike and they have the number also alike in it, that is number 12. Now look here, in this green colored shape, the number goes on increasing by one digit, that is 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then very good 6 will come, 7, then very nice 8, then very nice 9. And look at this shape, these are numbers having all same, all are identical. So the number which will come here is very good 3. Now look here, student, 12 2s are 24. When you're going to add 3, it will be 27, right? 12 3s are 39, plus 3 will give you 30. 12 3s are 36, plus 3 will give you 39. Students, so like this you will calculate and write in the boxes. Okay, now look here, all the solution is also done for you. Now we go to one more pattern. Here you can see it's 1, so here also written 1. These all numbers are same with 8 on it. You could see this is written in descending order. See, first 9, then 9 and the descending order, that is descending digit is 8, then 9 8 7, 9 8 7 6, 9 8 7 6 5. What will come next? 9 8 7 6 5 4. Very good. What will come here? 9 8 7 6 5 4 3. Very nice. So we have filled this blank. Now look here, it's ascending order, 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5. So here it will be minus 6, here it will be minus 7. Here the digits are not changing, all are 8, right from the first layer till the last layer. Now look here, the increasing of one ascending order, that is the consecutive number 1 by 1. See, 1, then 1 2, then 1 2 3, next will be 1 2 3 4. So these many numbers, these many digits, 5 digits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. That means this number will be the ending number here, this number will be the ending number here, but we have to begin with 1 every time. 6 will come here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. 7 will come here, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Look here students, all done. And not only till 7, we had actually completed two more steps. Actually the question is asking you to give 2 more steps. So we had given 2 more steps. Now student, the next is this one, smart adding. Look here, it's all 1, 2, all single digit number. Addition of 1 to 10 will give you 55. Now the series of 1 starts, that means 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 till 2 we come. So this is the whole series of 1. So written 1 before 55, that means 55 is definitely going to come, but 1 will come ahead because this is the series of 1. Similarly, when we begin with 21, the series of 21 will follow till 29. 30 will come afterward, right? The last number. So 20 is a series this is. So now the number will be 2 ka series. So 2, 5, 5. Now this is the series of 3. So it will be very good. 3, 5, 5. This is the series of all 40s. So the answer will be 4, 5, 5. And likewise 5, 5, 5. And this will be 6, 5, 5. Okay students, I hope you understood this thing. Now student, this is next pattern where 1 and 3 are added. See, all odd numbers are added. How many numbers you have taken? 1 and 3. Only 2 numbers you have taken. So 2, 2s are 4. So both the answer is same. If you are going to add 1 and 3, the answer is 4. And if you are going to multiply 2, 2s, the answer is 4. Okay students, now look here. 3 odd numbers taken. 1, 3, 5. When you add, your answer comes 9. That means 3 3s are 9. Why 3? Because 3 odd numbers are there. Your 4 odd numbers are there. So 4 4s are 16. Both the answer comes as same. Even if you don't add, you get the answer by simply multiplying these 2 numbers. I hope student you understood how to study the pattern. Okay. Now the next is, this is a kind of game students, which you will be doing it on your own. Here actually the solution is also there. Number surprises, ask your friend and all. It's a kind of game. Take a number, you have to double it. That means you have to multiply it by 2, and then you have to, this answer will come here, you have to multiply it by 5, and again when that number will come here, you have to add 10 in it, and like that likewise. Okay, suppose the number taken is 2, and when you double it is 2 2s are 4. When you're going to multiply it by 4 5s are 20, and when you divide it by 10, you get the same number which you had thought, or which you have asked from your friend. Okay students, likewise you have this also. Same pattern is there. Again you are going to think over it, okay, and you have to do it. Now one more number pattern is there students. You can see here it is 1. So it's 1 multiplied by 1. When it is 1 2 1, that means 2 times 1, yani 11, will get multiplied by 11. When it is 1 2 3 2 1, this is actually the answer of multiplication of 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 1. So students, what number will come here? As you can see students, here the central number is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These central numbers give you the advice or give you the notion how many ones are multiplied. If 1 is 1, so 1 1 is multiplied. If 2 is there, that means 2 times 1 1 1 1 is multiplied. If it is 3, that means 3 ones are multiplied by 3 ones. So if it is 4, then 4 ones are multiplied by 4 ones. I hope students you have to give 2-3 more steps. Here it is already been done for you. Students, I hope you understood this thing. Now calendar magic is, you can choose any 3 boxes from a calendar and find the total in the same way. So you, this is a question actually given in the textbook where it's been told to you, you can select 3 and 3 like this dates. You can make the box of total 9 numbers, but 3 lengthwise and 3 breadthwise. And whenever you are going to do the total, multiplying by 9 12, always it will be 108. It will be like that. So this is one kind of a rule which is followed by this magic calendar, and you have to go through it. Definitely it is just for the reference, nothing else. Okay students, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you for watching it. Please complete your textbooks on time, because this is the chapter which you are going to do it in the textbook only. If something is there, it will be said to you that what things you are going to do in your CW book. Okay students, I am ending the video. Have a great day ahead. We are going to meet with new topic with new video. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.